Good morning, Dean Hopkins here, creative entrepreneur. How is everybody today? And I thought I'd make a video today about turning problems into solutions, the creative way. That's the title of this video. And I think this applies in life, in all things that we do. You know, we can either look at the problems that we get in life, because it's inevitable that we're going to have some problems, right? We can look at them in one or two ways. We can see them as an obstacle, or we can see them as a problem, or we can see them as an opportunity for a solution or a positive outcome. Now, it's not always easy. Sometimes we have to have an open mind. We have to think a little bit laterally around things, and sometimes we have to overcome our own emotions, our own ego even, and all sort of stuff like that. Now, in the work that I do, or a lot of the work that I do in construction and in interiors especially, we're always going to get problems. It doesn't matter how good you are, how good your contractors are, how good your drawings are. There are going to be problems. That's just the nature of the game. So what we try to do is we try to look at creative ways of solving those problems. Now, we can be hard-headed about it. We can just say to any contractor who's made a problem, no, you've got to fix it. And sometimes that has to happen, of course. But otherwise, we can try and turn the problem into a solution, which is what we've done here. So I'm going to show you what we've done with this particular problem that we had on site. Trevor, there you go. And show you how we come up with a creative way to solve the problem and make it into a benefit. So if you've been watching my videos over the last couple of weeks, this is a small little project that I've been doing in West Perth. We've just been fitting out. We've done some work on different levels actually, but on the ground floor here, we've been creating a social breakout area for this particular client. So for all their staff to come and eat their lunches, and so they don't have to sit at their desk all the time. So we've worked pretty hard in trying to create a really nice atmosphere on this, in this area. So, you know, we've got some really nice things happening, and it's not complete yet. We've got some chairs and furniture to go in and a few little bits and pieces. But what happened is, if we take a look, you can see over here, this shelf and this whole bench section here. As lovely as it is, it was installed in the wrong position. It was supposed to be over by about 1 metre. It's supposed to sit in front of that window, in fact. And we're going to have stools all set along here so people can, you know, have coffee and read the paper and look out the window kind of thing. So it got installed in the wrong position. Now, don't always know why these things happen, but it happened anyway. But I looked at it now. Obviously, I had to talk to the client because they spotted it. So we always have to do that in this kind of work. But I saw an opportunity here that in this corner here, it's looking quite blank, and I was wondering what we were really going to do. Maybe we'd have to put a plant in there or something. And of course, if this bench was over a little bit, it wouldn't be so much of a problem. But what I saw was an opportunity to put some more seating there. So I had a chat with a client, and this is what you've got to do. It works if you've got an amenable client who's prepared to listen to alternative ideas. So I had a chat to them about, look, we can move this if we have to. A contractor will move it, of course, because good contractors will always honour any mistakes they make. But I saw an opportunity to not have to go through all of that rigmarole in moving this, which would affect the floor, affect the ceiling, take a lot of work, costly to the contractor. We have an alternative that we can brighten up this corner with some chairs and a table and probably a picture above. And because this is in the wrong spot, we've actually got a little bit more room to work with there, so it will actually work. So we spoke to the client, they okayed it, they were happy with it, I'm happy with it, contractors obviously happy with it. So really, you know, in construction, this thing happens quite a lot. So we're going to turn that negative, that problem into a whole solution that will probably improve the place from what it was from the original design anyway. So, and I think this applies in life. This is how we can look at it. We can either get frustrated and think, you know, that's a problem, and we can stamp our feet and say, you made a mistake, and point the finger and all that kind of thing. Or we can all work together and help each other and come up with a solution that supports everybody and works with everybody. That's how I like to see life. That's how I see the work that I do. And I hope you got some value from this. If you want to know more about what I do, djhopkins.net. That's where I put all my creative work, all the design work I do, talk a lot about philosophy and stuff like that as well, and all this kind of thing. Hope you have a great day. This is Dean signing out. Catch you later. Bye-bye.